we begin a new lesson from Geography, Chapter 3, Minerals and Energy Resources. In our previous class, we completed the second chapter, Land, Soil, Vegetation and Water Resources. Okay, did you all study that lesson? The lesson is very simple, it's very easy to learn. And did you write the question and answers? Did you complete your notes? Okay, after this class and next week you have to submit your notebooks. Instruction I will be giving through this your parent eye. You listen the parent eye and send your notebooks for correction to me. Okay? Today we are discussing the third chapter what I have told now. This chapter contains two important points. One is all important parts. First part we are discussing about mineral resources. Okay? What are minerals? What are the different types of minerals? What are the uses of minerals? And some other important features we are discussing in the first part. And second part of the lesson we are discussing about energy resources. Okay? Which are the different types of energy resources found in India and its characteristics. Merits and demerits and everything we are discussing in the second chapter. That means this chapter is also very easy to learn. But you don't forget, my dear children, you should read the textbook. The notes what I am giving is not enough to get full mark for the exams. You should read the textbook also and make it clear. Can we start that lesson? Okay, we can start that lesson. Minerals and energy resources. Okay? Dear children, first we are discussing about the mineral resources. Okay? Mineral. The first we are discussing the definition, features and the different types of minerals. Okay? The word minerals that already you learned or you have already heard that term in your previous class. Here comes a question. What is mineral? We are discussing about mineral resources. That means it is important to learn about the definition of minerals. What are minerals or what is a mineral? That we are discussing first. Mineral. What is the meaning of the term mineral? Okay, minerals are naturally occurring substance. That means the definition contains certain important points. The first one is, it is naturally occurring substance. Natural substance. Minerals are natural substance. And these substance found in the nature, okay, occurring naturally, which have definite internal features. That means the physical and chemical properties of minerals can be easily defined. Okay, scientists can easily define the physical and chemical properties of or internal properties of minerals. This naturally occurring substance with the definable internal characteristics, that is internal properties are called as minerals. Okay, minerals are naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. Definite internal characteristics are called as minerals. Okay, and which are the different types of minerals, or can you name some minerals? Okay, that already everyone knows, I think. Minerals are, I am writing some important minerals. Iron ore is a mineral. Gold is a mineral. Gold. Coal is a mineral. Okay, already heard. You might have heard about different types of minerals. Okay, iron ore, iron, gold, silver, coal, petroleum, all these are minerals. Okay, that means there are different types of minerals. And where do we get or where do we find these minerals? These minerals are found in rocks, on the rocks. Okay, rocks are, as you already learned, my dear children, rocks are different types. There are three types of rocks. They are igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks and sedimentary rocks. The features of these three rocks are different. That's why minerals are found in these rocks in the form of ores. That's why characteristics of minerals are also different. Minerals are found on the rocks. The characteristics of rocks are different. That means sedimentary rocks. You study sedimentary rocks are formed or obtained, developed from sediments. But at the same time, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when the magma inside the earth when it cools. Okay, that means solidification of magma leads to the formation of igneous rocks. And due to the metamorphism, process of metamorphism, igneous rocks change the form of metamorphic rocks. That means the features of these three types of rocks are different. That's why minerals found in these three types of rocks are different. Is it clear? There are different types of minerals. Some minerals are found in black in color. Some are found in white in color. Some are very soft. Talcum powder. Talcum powder is a mineral containing mineral which is very soft. But diamond is a mineral which is very hard. That means some minerals are very hard, some minerals are very soft. The color of minerals are differ from one to another. That means properties of these minerals are different because minerals are formed on the rocks. The characteristics of rocks are different. Or climatical and relief features affect the characteristics of minerals too. Okay, and besides that, it is very clear that minerals are very useful to us. Nothing is to mention more. Everything we use which contain minerals. Okay, the food we eat contain minerals. Our constructional activities or building purposes and whatever we use in our day-to-day life, one way or other way made up of minerals. That's why minerals are indispensable part of our life. It is very important. Clear? Minerals are important. Minerals are naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. There are different types. Minerals are found on the form of rocks in the form of ores. Rocks are different. That's why characteristics of minerals are also different. Is it okay? Next, types of minerals. Which are the different types of mineral or classification of mineral? Minerals based on the feature or nature of minerals that already mentioned. Minerals are different from one another. And based on these characteristics of minerals, minerals are mainly divided into three types. They are metallic minerals, the first one, non-metallic minerals, then energy mineral, clear? The minerals are divided into three types based on its characteristics: metallic, non-metallic, energy minerals. Okay, and what are metallic minerals? Metallic minerals, as the word gives that meaning, minerals are the mineral which contain metal. Minerals are minerals which contain metal are called as metallic minerals. Okay, and it is very clear that non-metallic minerals do not contain metal, do not have metal content, are non-metallic minerals. Clear? Okay, and energy minerals, the minerals that we will be discussing in the second part, minerals which can produce energy, coal, petroleum are energy minerals that we will be discussing in the second part of this lesson. And then metallic minerals are the minerals which contain metal. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. Clear? Iron ore, bauxite, etc. are metallic minerals. And limestone and coal, petroleum, etc. are the non-metallic minerals. Is it okay? Metallic minerals contain metal. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. These metallic minerals mainly found or mainly formed from igneous and metamorphic rocks. Metallic minerals mainly found in metamorphic and igneous rocks. Okay, igneous and metamorphic rocks have large deposits of metallic minerals. Okay, that means non-metallic minerals mainly obtained from sedimentary rocks. Don't forget this point. Where do we get or where are metallic minerals mainly found? Metallic minerals mainly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Non-metallic minerals mainly found in sedimentary rocks. Is it okay? Metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, it does not contain metal. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. And these metallic minerals Metallic minerals again divided into two. That already you learned in science subjects also, I think. They are ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals are the minerals which contain iron. Okay, ferrum, iron. Non-ferrous minerals do not contain iron. Okay, metallic minerals again divided into two. Ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals which contain iron, that means iron ore. Non-ferrous minerals which does not contain iron. These are the different classifications of minerals. Okay, minerals are mainly divided into metallic and non-metallic. Energy minerals we will be learning in the next part. Okay, minerals which can produce energy. Metallic minerals contain metal in its raw form. Non-metallic minerals do not contain metal. Metallic minerals are mainly found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. At the same time, non-metallic minerals found in sedimentary rocks. And metallic minerals are again divided into two, ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Okay, ferrous minerals contain iron, non-ferrous does not contain iron. Is it okay? Clear? And this is the next important. Minerals are the naturally occurring substance with a definable internal structure. That means which have definable physical and chemical properties. Minerals are divided into these three types. Is it okay? Can we move into next part? Okay. Next we are discussing the methods of extraction of minerals. Okay, what are the different types of extraction? As we discussed that minerals are very useful to us. We need minerals for different purposes. And then how can we extract? How can we take out these minerals found in the deeper part of the earth on rocks? That we are discussing next. Which are the different types of methods of extraction? Okay. This extraction can be divided into mainly three types. There are three types of extraction. The first one is quarrying. The word is very familiar to you. Quarrying. Okay. The first quarrying. The next is mining. Mining. Quarrying, mining. These two words are very easy. And drilling. Next one is drilling. Okay. There are three types of methods of extraction. The first one is quarrying, mining, drilling. Quarrying. Quarrying, the word is very familiar to you. Okay, quarrying in nearby our school. Okay, one quarry is there. Not only one, two, three quarries are there. What is quarrying? Okay, quarrying means a process of extraction of minerals that is found very nearer to the top or surface of the earth. Okay, if the minerals are found in very nearer to that surface of the earth, we can take or extract these minerals by removing that top layer. That type of practice is called as quarrying. Quarrying is a type of extraction in which and by removing top layer of this earth surface, we can dig out minerals. This type of practice is called as quarrying. Okay, bauxite quarries, iron or quarries are, there are different types of quarries. That means quarrying is a process when we found that minerals just below the earth's surface. By removing that surface, we can take minerals, extract these minerals. This practice is called as quarrying. Okay, is it clear? And the next is mining. Mining is the process of extraction in which mineral found in the deeper part of the earth. Quarrying is topmost part. It is easy to understand. Topmost part, you don't think that it is on the surface. No, just below the surface of the earth. Mining means if the minerals are found in some more deep under earth, we need to take or to use different types of machines for making pits and at all and extract these minerals. That is mining. And quarrying, when we found the minerals on the just below the topper part of the earth, we use quarrying. If the minerals are found in deep under the earth, that is called as mining. This mining can be categorized into two types. One is open cast mining. Open cast mining. One is open cast mining. The next one is shaft mining. Shaft mining. Open cast mining and shaft mining. Open cast mining means if the minerals are found somewhere above that middle part, we can use that open cast mining. That means machines are needed, but comparatively lighter machines. But shaft mining means if the minerals are found in some more deep under the earth, which is called as, we have to make pits or shaft. That means pits or shaft. This type of minerals is called a shaft mining. Okay. And the next is drilling. Drilling is some minerals, form of extraction where the minerals found in very deeper part of the earth. Is suppose petroleum mines. Petroleum we extract by using large machines, new technologies. We need drilling machines. For this type of minerals, extraction is called as drilling. If the minerals are found in very deeper part of the earth, we need to use drilling machines. We need to use different technologies. That is why this type of practice is called as drilling. And for understanding this, just I am doing one sketch here. Listen, my dear children. Okay, and if suppose this is the topmost part of the earth. If suppose minerals are found in this part, it is for only convenience or better understanding, we use mainly quarrying. Okay, that means if you remove this part, it is easy to extract the minerals. And if the minerals are found in this part, we can use mining. Okay, and if it is very deeper part of the earth, we can use drill. You must understand in the same way. Is it okay? Minerals are found in different parts of the earth. As we have discussed, minerals are formed on the rocks. Okay, and where are distribution of minerals? Where are these minerals found? And then there are different countries have vast resources of minerals. We are not discussing in detail because in your textbook 2-3 pages are there which explains the mineral resources found in different countries. Okay, for example, Asia. Asia has large deposits of different types of minerals. Okay, and iron ore, bauxite, many types of minerals, manganese, coal, petroleum, etc. are found in different parts of Asia, including India too. Okay, and Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Iron ore are found in different types, but large quality or good quality iron ore mainly found in Brazil. Another important point what you should study from this topic is Africa. Africa has vast deposits of economically important minerals such as gold, silver, platinum, diamond, etc. Africa is the leading producer of these different types of minerals. Okay, and many other, Australia also has vast deposits of minerals. That means there are these type of certain points, very important points are there in the textbook. You should read that topic and make it clear. Okay, from that part, one more question mainly will be coming. You read it, the textbook thoroughly and study. Here, next we are discussing about conservation of minerals. Why should we conserve minerals, or what is the importance of mineral conservation? Mineral conservation is very important because we need mineral. Minerals are very useful. We need minerals for almost all our activities, economical activities, for constructional activities. We need minerals. And besides that, minerals are important because, or mineral conservation is important because minerals are non-renewable resources. You studied in the first chapter. Minerals are non-renewable resources. That's why they take a long period to form. Okay, that means it is very important to minimize the use of minerals. Okay, if we use these minerals excessively, and the later generation, the next generation will be in trouble. That's why it is our duty to keep the resources for the future generation also. That's why we should minimize the use of resources. They are limited. They take a long period to form. Besides that, as everyone knows that minerals are Very important. We need minerals are every purposes. And then rate of production of mineral is very less, but rate of consumption is more. Consumption is more than the rate of production. In this context, it is important to conserve minerals. Okay? Why should we conserve minerals? Comes, you should write these much points. Is it okay? From these four important topics, you should study from the first part of the lesson. That means about minerals. The first part we discussed the definition of features of minerals, where are these minerals found, etc. Second part we explained classification of minerals. Third part we explained extraction of minerals. The next is distribution. That is very simple. You just read it and make it clear. Last one is conservation of minerals. Mineral conservation is important. This half part you should read and make it clear. Okay, and the next about energy resources that we can discuss in the next class. Okay, we can just recall the points what we have already discussed now. You write these question and answers in your notebook, plus read your textbook and study these portions for the examinations. Okay, thank you.
Children, these are the important question answers what we have learned now. First question, what are minerals? What do you mean by the term mineral? Answer, minerals are naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure. For example, iron ore, manganese, etc. Second question, how are minerals classified? Answer, minerals are classified into two types. First point, metallic minerals. Minerals which contain metal are called metallic minerals. Example, iron ore, bauxite. Second point, non-metallic minerals. Minerals which do not contain metal are called non-metallic minerals. For example, mica, limestone. Metallic minerals are again classified into two types. First point, ferrous minerals. Minerals which contain iron is called ferrous mineral. For example, manganese. Second point, non-ferrous minerals. Minerals which do not contain iron are called non-ferrous minerals. Example, gold. What are the different types of extraction of minerals? The extraction of minerals are three types. First point, quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out through the process known as quarrying. Second point, drilling. Petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take these minerals out. This process is called drilling. Mining. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minings are two types. First point, open cast mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer is called open cast mining. Next point is shaft mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at greater depths is called shaft mining. Our next question, what is an ore? Where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? The answer, a rock from which minerals are mined are known as ores. The answer, the ores of metallic minerals generally found in igneous and metamorphic rocks. The non-metallic minerals are mainly located in sedimentary rocks. Next question, which is the leading producer of iron ore in the world? The answer, Europe. Our next question, which country is the largest producer of higher grade iron ore in the world? Answer, Brazil. The next question, which country is the world's largest producer of diamond, gold and platinum? The answer, Africa. Next question. Name the largest producer of bauxite in the world. Answer, Australia. Our next question. Why should we conserve mineral resources? This is one of the most important questions in this lesson. Answer, we should conserve resources because, first point, minerals are non-renewable resources and they are limited. Second point, it takes thousands of years for the formation and concentration of minerals. Next point, the rate of production of mineral is much smaller than the rate at which the human consume the minerals. That's why it should be conserved. The last point, we should conserve the minerals for fulfilling the needs of future generation. My dear children, write these question answers in your notebook and study well. Thank you.